Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing an eyelash tutorial again to show you guys exactly how to put on eyelashes. So we're gonna go right into this video. So I always get my lashes now from TJ Maxx just because they're cheaper, and it's like a 12 pack with, you know, so many lashes, 12 pack. And you know, it'd be like $4 to $10.99 type stuff. And you go to the hair store and they're like $2.99 for like one set. You dig? So, you know, I just try to bargain all the time. So now I get my eyelashes from TJ Maxx. And I usually use this Salon hair glue. So I don't like using the adhesive glue. It just, I like this better for some reason. But we're going to get right into this video. So here's the lashes right here. As you can see, pinch off the eyelashes. You don't want to snatch them off, and you know, you get that one eyelash just like this one right here, and you're going to open your glue, whatever glue, this kind of glue or the adhesive. The adhesive glue, as I said, oh wait, the adhesive glue, as I said before, is right here. I don't use it, but I could if I wanted to, just to try it out again. Here's the adhesive, but yeah, I'm gonna use this glue. So you're gonna get, I'm gonna show you guys. So you're gonna get this, and you're gonna put it on the strip of the lash. So you get a dab of it and put it on each one. So you get a dab of it and put it on there, and try your best to put it on the strip. So mine is on the strip. As I said before, try your best. Your best is your best to get it on the strip, but no problem. So here's the glue on the strip of the eyelash, as you can see. Hopefully you guys can see this. So once you do that, go again over that. Well, that's what I do, just to make sure you're good. So you put it on the strip. Oops. And you're going to lay the eyelash on top. Once you lay that eyelash on top, this is it on top. You're going to press down on your eyelash just like this, so you can lay it down with your actual eyelashes. So now, next step, you're going to get your tweezers and you're going to line it up. So now that lash is on, so you get your favorite, now that the lash is on, you get your favorite kind of mascara. My favorite is Better Than Sex mascara. It's Too Faced mascara. So you get your favorite mascara and you just put it on. So what y'all think about my right lash? Okay, now we're going to do the left side, and you guys will see that tutorial again. Just like the right side, it's the same. But yeah, instead of y'all going to somebody to put on y'all lashes, y'all can do individuals. I gotta learn how to do individual. I don't know how to do individuals. I know how to do strips. But look, instead of y'all paying somebody, go ahead and do it yourself. Might as well. I'm a college student, so I don't got all that money to spend paying somebody $75 just to put on some lashes. Come again? And then they be coming out too. You better do them yourself. Alright, so with these, you're going to do the same thing. Put the glue on. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't know. I've been outside all day at school, so excuse me. My bad. Okay, so you're going to do this side as well. As you see, there's glue on this. If you can't see, glue on here. So I put glue on this strip, right? So you're going to get this, lay it on top just like the other one I did. So now that you put it on top and you're moving it the way you need it to be, you lay it down now. You lay it down, you push down on it. Lay it down and attach it to your actual eyelash. Okay? So you're going to attach it to your actual eyelash. So now my left one is on. I tapped everything down with my finger, gently tap it on until there are sucker. Like I said before, Too Faced Better Than Sex is my favorite mascara. So you get it and you just put it on there. Apply that mascara until it's good. Apply that mascara, and then your lashes will look fabulous. Okay, so how do I look? What you think? What you think about the lashes? How do I look? Do I look good? Do I look bad? What y'all think about the tutorial? Comment below on any other tutorial you want me to do. Like I did before, I did an edges tutorial, but sooner than later I'm gonna do one on a side part. I'm gonna conclude this video. It's finished, over with. I showed you guys how to put on eyelashes, how to apply these lashes, where to get them from. Go get your eyelashes from TJ Maxx. These are bomb lashes for only $4.99. Bye, Dime. See you next time. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment below what y'all want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And without further ado, peace out.